are inside of our property. One thing we're gonna do throughout this tour is highlight some of the upgrades throughout it. There are just too many for me to tell you through this video. It would be a 20-minute video. I don't wanna do that to you all. So for example, in the kitchen, you have brand new chandelier throughout the home, brand new countertops here in the kitchen, brand new kitchen cabinets, brand new kitchen sink, brand new flooring throughout the entire house. You're gonna see some more of the upgrades as we go. Let's go on our tour. Here we're in the primary bedroom. As mentioned earlier, there are way too many upgrades throughout this property for me to say. Just in this primary bedroom, plantation shutters, all new crown molding throughout the entire property, not just in here, but the entire property. You have these beautiful lights that are attached here. I want you to check out the primary bathroom that's attached as well. Go take a look. Here we are in the upstairs area that most would not think you get in this neighborhood if you're just driving by, but you have a whole entire dedicated space that could be served as your bonus area. There's additionally a bonus bedroom that's up here. There's a half bath, but what I think somebody's really gonna appreciate about this area is this is iron that was custom made for this property, specifically for like the safety feature here. The people who are selling have young children, so they wanted to have this up there for them. This was made by the same company that HGTV Good Bones uses as well. Again, this property has so many things going for it. Here we're in the outdoor space, brand new concrete throughout, new fire pit. It's a great property. I'm really excited that you came on this tour with us. If you have any questions about this property, don't hesitate to reach out to me. My name's Landon Bushing. I'm your local listing expert. My contact phone number is 260-573-6316. I hope you make it a great day.